we're gonna start off with this, again, you got the limit definition, so it's f prime of x.
Equals the limit as h approaches 0 of f times x plus h.
F of, not f
of
times,
x
yeah.
plus h minus f of x over h.
So what would f of x plus h be in this case?
X plus h.
1 over x
1
plus
over
h.
x plus h.
Yeah, that one over x plus h minus
Minus 1 over x.
all over h. So that's gonna start the problem off. All right. Now, a couple of different ways to approach this problem. I'm just gonna do it my way. I'm gonna get a common denominator to clean up the numerator. So the first one would be x over x times 1 over x plus h minus 1 over x times x plus h over x plus h, and then that's gonna all be over h. Is there a question about that? Alrighty. So, f prime of x equals to the limit as h approaches 0 of, so this is x minus x plus h all over x times x plus h all over h. Okay, so what do y'all think we do next here? That's beautiful. Again, at any time through these first steps, if I ever plug in 0 for h, I'm gonna get 0 over 0. So what do you think we're gonna do next year?
Would you?
That's a good question.
It shouldn't be that tough. Just don't think calculus, think algebra.
Would you make it one fraction? Like, would it be?
Would you multiply out that x times x plus h? Or keep it simplified?
No, we're gonna leave that alone. In these problems, we're gonna leave that alone until we get to a point where we have no other choice. I mean, it would work with what you said, but this is just easier to handle if it's left like that. All right, so
Just put h on the top, x minus x plus h, and you just get rid of the x on the top.
x minus x plus h over x times x plus h, right? All right, let's go over to the side. What if I say 2/3 divided by 8? What would you do to clean that up?
Oh, you can multiply the top number. You can multiply the top, right? You multiply by h to
It would be
move the h up to
2
the
over
top.
Well, let's fix this first, and then we'll go back up here.
Multiply by 8.
24.
Multiply by 8 to move it up to the 2. 2 times 8 over.
2 over 24.
Okay. Yeah, but you could also simplify and make it 1 over 12.
Yeah.
So what, based on what I did here, what do I do here? And I think you were saying it
Put an h.
Put h on the top.
Bottom.
bottom,
Bottom.
just like the 8 here was. Remember, this is 8 over 1, so we'll multiply by 1/8. So we'll multiply by 1 over h. mean, that still could be 0 over 0.
But it gets us a step closer.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Y'all have a lot of faith in me.
Do we distribute now?
Okay, tell me what, this right here?
Yeah, x squared.
No.
Here we don't.
Something else happening here. What would that be?
Oh, distribute the negative?
Uh-huh. So,
X minus H.
so let's keep going.
Cancel out the x's.
Yep. So what's in the numerator?
X
Negative
times-
H.
Negative H.
Oh, my bad. X times x plus h times h. Could you cancel out the h's and put a negative 1 on top?
All right. Now, what's special about that step?
You can finally put in 0.
You can you can, at this moment, plug in 0 and not get 0 over 0. So what do we get here?
Negative 1 over x squared.
And that is the derivative. That's pretty good stuff, isn't it?
C.
I see it too.